I am Jyoti and this is our channel Smart Learning. Because here learning is very smart, very effective and very quick. Friends, today we are going to understand a very important topic, that is blend sh. Now what is a blend? We use blender to blend things. With the use of blender, we can mix any liquid and we can make so many delicious shakes. Same way, we have different sounds. We all know that every letter has different sound. See, I have two letters. Letter S and letter H. S says S. S says S. And H says ha. Now we will add both the sounds. See what is coming out? Yes, sh, sh, sa, ha, sh, sa, ha, sh. Now we can use this blend sh to make so many words. So many words. We will keep sh here. And now we will add on words or letters or blends. Are you all ready? Let's start. Sh. Now see what is coming. Oh my God. Zoom. Yes. Sh. I. Pa. Ship. Now we will read them together. Sh. I. Pa. Ship. Here we found our first word. Sh, I, pa, ship. Sh, I, pa, ship. Now we will keep it at this side. And now something else is coming up. See? Sh. Oh my God, egg. Sh, egg, the shed. Cow lives in the shed. Shed. So here we found the second word. Sh, e, the shed. Now we will keep egg also at the side. Now something else is coming up. Sh, o, p, shop. Sh, o, p, shop. Sh, o, p, shop. See, with one sh, we can make so many words I am telling you. You just need to spread the flashcards on the bed or on the table or on the mat. Then you can make so many words with just one sh, with just one blend sh. Okay, then we are also keeping op also. Okay, now something else is coming up. Look here. Yes, sh, a, t, shirt. Sh, a, t, shirt. You just need to read the word together. Okay. Then you can find out a new word. Now see. Sh. Another blend. Oo. Sh, oo. Now what is coming? T. Oh my God. Sh, oo, t. Sh, oo, t, shoot. Sh, oo, t, shoot. Sh, oo, t. See? One blend, another blend. Oo, then a letter t. We are adding all together. They are making a different word, that is shoot. Now see. Sh, E, and then pa. Sh, E, pa, sheep. Sh, E, pa, sheep. We found a new word. Sh, E, pa, sheep. Can you all see sh is there only at its place? And we are just adding the letters or blends to make new words. This is the only way out. Sh we have. Now I have e. And then I have l. Another blend. L. It becomes sh, e, l, shell. Sh, e, l, shell. Sh, e, l, shell. Isn't it fun? Yes, it is very interesting. Very interesting. You just need to do some efforts. You just need to make flashcards. You just need to write letters somewhere. Just need to add, make blend, and then just see the magic. Did you like it? Yes. If you liked it, then like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Love you all. Take care.